I believe that certain things are inevitable in life. Positive things such as love, friendship, and passion, but also negative things such as loss, heartbreak, and a sense of helplessness. During these trying times, everyone has lost a lot of things we used to take for granted, and I've personally lost things which have made me experience emotions I never thought I was capable of having. But a positive mindset is something I strive to never lose. So here's to a new year in which we hopefully start to see the light at the end of this shit tunnel.
Memories frozen, fossilized, afraid of the past, so petrified. 'Cause I just don't know how to let go. It's forever, you're inside my